Okay, we are going to talk about the famous couple ASAP Rocky and Rihanna. And yeah, we're basically going to talk about the court case and the trial. And we're going to talk about, I guess, the moments that wasn't exactly captured by the cameras. But here is Rihanna outside ASAP Rocky's court thing. And she really needs a makeup artist. This is really not a good photo. This is very difficult for me to completely, but just look at her. She needs help. She needs a good hairstylist, a good makeup artist, a good stylist. She needs it all. More makeup, obviously, because her looks has gone downhill. She's very awful looking in that picture. And I won't say what else I'm thinking, but she really needs some help. And I don't think his court case should be this big of a deal as they're making it. Big deal. Celebrities have cases going on all the time, and with his case, I would say that I guess it's just making him more famous because he doesn't even do anything really right now. You don't see him putting out any new music or doing this career wise. He's kind of a bum, if you ask me. She really built everything from scratch with her makeup line. After she stopped her music career, she found something else that was going to bring in the right type of money so she could stop doing music altogether. But he just lives off of Rihanna. Can we be honest? Okay, so look, they said, basically, I'm trying to see. They're talking about the trial of ASAP Rocky is progressing. The conviction, again, it could lead up to 24 years in prison for the hip-hop star. And yeah, they're just going to basically be talking about Rihanna, because she's the one that's the big deal, not him, Thank goodness she finally showed up to his court thing. Because they asked him, will the mother of your children be there? And, remember, ASAP called her his common law wife, although you're not married to each other. Okay, so his first week of trial, she did not appear, but rumors was that she might appear at that time. But she definitely showed up on the 31st, which was yesterday, in his little court thing. And, yeah, they said, let's see. Her presence caused quite a stir once the audience realized, I guess that she was there. The jurors did notice her. She appeared again the next day, and it soon felt almost unexceptional that she was there. By Friday, she slipped in about 30 minutes into the testimony after coming through a public entrance. Later that day, she entered the courtroom together with Rocky for the first time, down a hallway full of jurors from his and other cases. Okay, so here she is walking to his courtroom January 31st. That was yesterday of this year, 2025. She is on her way, in oversized clothes. I don't know why, but it's not a good look for her. If Beyonce had to go to Jay-Z's court, I know Beyonce would be killing it. Beyonce would be looking good. Beyonce wouldn't even care. Like, okay, I'm here for Jigga Hova, but I'm going to be looking good. Okay, now Rihanna, you need a stylist, baby. You need a hairstylist, a clothing stylist. Your clothes is boring. Your makeup is boring. You should have brought a baby to court, RIRI. Bring the baby so they'll know that he doesn't need to spend time in prison. He needs to set an example for black fathers that he's going to be in his children's lives. Bring all y'all's kids and tell them you're currently pregnant, RIRI. That's what you have to do if you want to save this man, which I think you want to save him if you show up to his court. Okay, so look. All right. I am getting into hearing that they said there's a shouting match that began quickly soon without the judge or jury present. I don't know what kind of match had went on there. Okay, this can't be the same thing. They're trying to say in court. Yeah, I'm not sure what this part is that they're talking about. They're maybe they're talking about when Rocky and the person he got in a fight with had something happen, because I doubt that would happen yesterday. So I'm seeing what else they're saying. This is him when he arrived in court January 29th, 2025. You know, he looks a little ghetto here. He has a mark on his face. And yeah, he looks like he's stressed out. I do see some gray hairs developing. He looks a little rough. He's not as cute as they're trying to make him out to be. You know, he's not looking too good according to me. You know, like, I'd pass on him. But that's Rihanna's man. So, okay, so let's hear what else he said. So Rocky's mother, Renee Black, garnered their own share of attention even before Rihanna sat next to them. The first day they appeared, Arnold asked Rocky who the woman in his section was. "That's my mother and that's my sister," Rocky said. The judge marveled at Black's youthful appearance. That's his mother's appearance. They're talking about Renee Black. "What were you, 7 when you had him?" the judge asked. She said she was 26. "You are very beautiful," the judge told her. "That's on record." And then I'm trying to see who is this person right here. And why is the mother being praised but his sister? These people are backwards. Okay, so I don't know who Levwin is. Maybe that's his lawyer. Politely approached the women and talked to them during break. He said of Rocky, "I just hope he's evaluating everything in reference to the deal Rocky turned down. A recommendation of 180 days in jail and other relatively minor punishments for a guilty plea on one count." And I guess they said somebody angrily brought it up to the judge later. Okay, so then walked up very kindly to the defendant's mother and sister and said, "I am very sorry you have to go through this. I hope that your brother and your son, he's really evaluating what he's risking here." Okay, so then let's see what else they have to say. All right. Yeah, so I'm just skimming over this. They're not really talking about too much, but people should do what they want to do. If you don't want to serve 180 days in jail, why should you? Although T.I. has served time in jail, but why do you guys want to make ASAP serve time in jail? But yeah, that's all I have for you guys, and I will see you on my next Celebrity Talking. And you know, I hope that Rihanna does end up getting married, you know, instead of just being a baby mama. Come on, RIRI, set a good example for everybody, you know, especially since you're a famous woman, a black woman at that. Go ahead and get married. Don't be like Kylie Jenner, just being a baby mama or going to the next guy, getting pregnant again. Don't do that, RIRI. Get married, you know, to the man of the father of your children, and call it a day, you know, and stay married. There's nothing else out here you've already dated around. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.